Hi friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Today we are having a hamburger vegetable soup, very flavorful. Okay, we're starting off with, this is 4 carrots, 4 carrots. Okay, diced. And then I've got like small potatoes, like 5 small potatoes. Throw that in there. 1 large onion. Okay, then I just had the rest of, some corn in the freezer, so I'm going to use it. I'd rather use it than let it go to waste. Okay, then we are going to throw 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Remember we talked about flavor? All right, then we are going to add, you could either use this garlic and bell pepper, or you could put real garlic and bell pepper in it. But with those tomatoes and this seasoning, it's going to really jazz it up. Okay, and then I am going to put this tomato bouillon. It's chicken. Oh my God, this stuff it's delicious. Okay, I'm going to put 2. And I want you to taste your food as it goes, as it's cooking. And that'll tell you if you need to add more seasoning. Okay, and I also am putting in 3 cups of water. All right, we're going to give this a stir. A really good stir. Okay, question for you today. What else would you put in this soup? I'm just curious. Because I just know I wanted to put some more stuff in here, but I'm putting in what I have. Okay, I'm going to add another cup of water. Okay, here's my another cup of water. There, that looks good. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to cook it until the potatoes get done and the carrots get done. The meat's done already. So that's that's our goal. Okay, so we can just throw it out there. You can cook it on high 3 to 4 hours or low 6 to 8. Okay, but in all due reality, cook it till your vegetables are done. Okay, friends, I wanted to chime back in that I did cheat. I used my chopper, and I used that size. Okay, so the carrots and the potatoes kind of the same size, so they would hopefully get done at the same time. And I do have this listed below if you would like one. But also for the base, there's so many ways you can go with that. I did, like I said, I used this. I was going to use this, or a packet of this would really season that up in there really good. And there is hamburger in it, so it just fits really well. Okay, or you could just use beef bouillon in there. So I just wanted to chime back in and then let you know that you could use different flavors in there. I just had a taste for like a little bit of a tomatoey flavor, so that is why I used this today. And there it is. Give it a nice stir. I think that turned out perfect. Like, I like how much juice is in there. Like, the soupiness. Oh, I need to get my ladle out. know what I think I was doing with that spoon, but I don't think it was going to work. I mean, it could have, kind of, sort of, but... Oh my God, I think that looks awesome. I'm going to put the lid back on. Let me know, what else would you throw in here? So the potatoes are done. Carrots are done. Everything's really tender. Okay, I want to try to get a bite of everything. Perfect. You know, I am so glad I used the seasonings that I used. The bell pepper and garlic seasoning. But you can also throw in garlic and a little bit of bell pepper. And then I threw that tomato chicken seasoning bouillon in there. Wow. That really, really changed up the flavor. I really like it. This I'm making again. Okay, friends. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget-friendly videos that are quick and easy, subscribe. But friends, always keep cooking, and I love you all.